The 607 asterisk was flying direct from San Francisco to Shanghai, in heavy fog, when they crash-landed onto an island in the middle of a stream. From the island they could see the shorelines and imagined that they must be on the Chinese mainland. But there was really no way to know for sure. And as the days stretched on, and they watched the canoes sailing past the island, no matter how loud they screamed, they could not draw the attention of the people on the canoes. And soon realized that they were on an island in the middle of the river between worlds, watching the souls of the dead transiting on from our world to the next. So they decided that they must transform the plane that they had crashed in, into a ship, without tools, that we then could navigate, and sail it home. And woven ladders made out of vines. So day after day we used rocks to slowly break off the wings of the plane. And then jagged pieces of metal to carve a ship's rudder out of wood, so we could steer the ship. And then because it had a hole on the bottom of the plane, we had to figure out a way to roll the plane over, attach the rudder, and the ladders made out of vines to the plane. And after many failed tries, we succeeded and then pushed it along, from the edge of the beach towards the water. And then it began picking up speed on its own. So we all began a mad scramble, to grab onto the vines hanging from the plane and climbing up onto it. And then as it moved along most of us made it up and some of us began helping pull the others up as well. It was not our intention to leave anyone behind, yet inadvertently we did. As the vines began to break, a few of the passengers fell off and got left behind. And there was nothing we could do, so we waved goodbye to them as they waved goodbye to us. And then we used the crude ship's rudder to steer the ship into the canoe lanes and sailed our ship home.
The end.